We are very delighted to be the part of this wonderful program. Actually, we are very happy to organize the cubing competition in the most patriotic way on 26th of January 2025, and we thank Reliance Mall Group for supporting us by providing the wonderful venue and giving us an opportunity to elevate the national and international level. Representing the Republic Day, today we along with our kids are going to solve the Rubik's Cube and make the Tricolour Rubik's Cube. So the Tricolour cubing event is for the first time in India we are hosting Change Memory Academy. This is Dr. VK, cognitive psychologist, memory coach.